Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel down below. If you are new here, I upload videos every week, 2 times a week, but I upload makeup videos, hair videos, lifestyle videos, everything under the sun, whatever I feel like uploading pretty much, and I would love for you guys to join the family. But for today's video, I have a pink makeup look for you guys. My niece Ava requested a pink makeup look, so I did this for her. So Ava, if you're watching, I hope that you like this video. And yeah, it's a really simple look. It's using mostly drugstore products, so you guys can get your hands on them really quick if you want to get this pink look for summertime. It's really simple, really fun, and I love using color during the summertime because it's something a little different for me, because I just really honestly stick to my neutrals. But like I said, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also while you're down there, hit that little notification bell because it will notify you every time I upload, which like I said is 2 times a week. I'm sorry that I have slacked on uploads, but I'm back and better than ever. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so getting started, I already have one eye done because I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do with this look. So I'm taking this orange shade from the Profusion Sultry palette and I'm just blending that into my crease just to have a little bit of a base for the rest of the shadows. I didn't want this to be like super pink where it almost looks like you have pink eye because that can definitely happen with pink eyeshadow. So I just am blending this shade to kind of warm up the look a little bit, make it a little bit more wearable. I think that this is a really great step to do. You can use this use bronzer for this step. Whenever I'm using color shadow, I feel like this just really makes it look a little bit more wearable and easy on the eyes, if that makes sense. So once I'm done with that, I'm going ahead in with the Emily Edit palette and I'm using the shade Laugh Cry, and this is like a pink shade, and I'm just blending that a little bit below where I put that orange shade, just so that we don't cover it up completely, because like I said, I do want this to be a little bit of a warmer pink look. So I'm just blending that a little bit lower with a smaller blending brush, as you guys can see. So I'm blending that more so in my crease, less above my crease, if that makes sense. So just blending that till I like the color payoff. And now I'm going in with this hot pink from the Profusion, I forgot what this one is called, Pigment, I think, palette. And this is like a true hot pink. This is what you guys will pretty much see on my eye. The whole look is kind of centered around this pink shade. I think it's gorgeous. I love Profusion eyeshadows. They are absolutely beautiful and so easy to work with, and for like $10 you literally cannot beat it. I picked up this palette from Walmart, but I know that they sell Profusion at Target as well, and they also sell it online. So if you guys don't have any of those stores near you, you can find it online. So I'm blending this eyeshadow in a little bit lower than the orange, like I said, just to keep everything nice and neat. So now I'm going ahead in to this shimmery pink shade in the Profusion palette, and I'm spraying my brush just because I spray my brush with all of my shimmery eyeshadows, no matter if they're drugstore or high-end. So this just makes it super shiny and shimmery, and I absolutely love it. And I'm just blending that in with like a flat shader brush. You could cut your crease if you want to. I personally didn't because I wanted this look to be a little bit softer. I find that a cut crease can look a little bit harsh when you like cut out your lid with concealer and do all that, but I just wanted this to be like a quick and easy like pink smoky eye type of a thing, so I didn't carve out my crease. And then once I apply that shimmer shade, I just go in with the same blending brush that I used with the hot pink shade, just to blend everything and make sure there's no harsh lines, because harsh lines and eyeshadow are not a good time. As you guys can see here, I'm really loving this look so far. I'm making sure that I have blended it out, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wipe away the excess here that fell down onto my lower lashes, and just make sure that everything is nice and clean because we're going to head on to the face soon. But before the face, we're going to go in with the eyebrows. So I'm just using this Kokie eyebrow pencil. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil. I love it so much. And I'm just doing my natural, regular, everyday brow. I don't really change up my brow routine that much anymore, just because I find that once you get a good brow routine, you want to like stick with it, because you know your brows can make or break a look for sure. So I just like filling mine in with pencil, and I just follow my natural brow shape. I don't do anything super fancy or crazy. I don't do a crazy Instagram brow or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do one brow on camera for you guys, because I know you guys don't want to sit through me doing my eyebrows. But if you do want a brow routine, definitely let me know. Now I'm going ahead in with some lashes, and I just applied those, I just put the glue on those, and now we're just going to go ahead and move on to the face. I'm using this Wet n Wild Cucumber Primer Spray. I love this spray so much. It just makes my foundation go on so nicely. And after that dries, I'm going in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Primer. This is the pore refining and mattifying one. If you guys have any matte primers that you really like, let me know, because my skin has become, of course, increasingly oily because it's been so hot outside. But if you guys have any matte primers that you're obsessed with, high-end or drugstore, definitely let me know. I want to try the Becca Ever Matte one. I think that one, I've heard good things about that one. So here I am just popping on the lashes. These are the Kiss Ienvy 302 lashes. These are my favorite, like, bold lash. I absolutely love them so much. I think that they are so fluttery and flirty, and they just complete like any super glam makeup look so well. So you guys will see in a second how beautiful they go with this look. So I'm just going ahead and applying those. And once I'm done with that, I'm going in with the NYX Bare With Me tinted moisturizer. This is like my new favorite thing, guys. It's so beautiful. I've been wearing it so much this season, ever since I got it. I did do a first impression review on this, so if you guys have not seen that video, definitely go ahead and check it out. I will link it down below for you guys. But as you guys can see, the eyeshadow with the lashes looks so bomb. I'm obsessed with it. With this tinted moisturizer, it's definitely more like a BB cream because it does give you really nice coverage. You can use a brush or a beauty blender with it. I just personally am too lazy to go dampen my beauty blender 9 times out of 10, so I just use a brush. And this is the e.l.f. Selfie Ready Blending brush. I forgot. It's just the foundation brush from e.l.f. It's like $3. You can't beat it. It's amazing. It blends out foundation beautifully. So I'm just blending that into my hairline and everything, making sure it's all blended. Now I'm going in with a little bit of concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm not doing too crazy of a conceal or define or anything like that. I'm just kind of concealing my under eye circles, around my mouth, and down the bridge of my nose, just so that everything kind of balances out a little bit. And I'm using the same brush I use for my foundation for the concealer. I find that this really melts everything together. It makes it look so nice and beautiful and blended. So I'm just using the same brush, like I said, to blend out that concealer, because the tinted moisturizer isn't like super high coverage or anything. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Medium. I keep forgetting to get this in a darker shade, you guys. You guys have to remind me. Every time I'm in Walmart, I'm like, oh, and then I forget. So I'm just using the e.l.f. sponge to blend this under my eye. I find that applying my powder with a sponge just really makes everything melt into the skin so beautifully, especially for the summertime. I feel like it just makes my skin super matte and beautiful and just like, I don't know, like porcelain almost. So I'm just blending that in and setting the rest of my face so we can go in with some bronzer, my favorite step. So this is the LA Girl Pro Face Powder. I just got this in a darker shade so that I could use it as a bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers, guys. It's just so warm, and it just makes your skin look so good, and it just carves out my cheeks beautifully. I am doing a little bit of a heavier contour because, like I said, my eyes are like bright pink, so you guys, my face can kind of get lost, you know, especially because the eyes are so bold. I want the rest of my makeup to, you know, match it, because you can't have a soft contour and a bold eye. Am I right, ladies? So just blending that on my cheeks and then onto my forehead as well, using this Real Techniques contour brush. I love this brush for contouring. It's my favorite. I don't really contour per se. I just really bronze, actually. But, you know, so I'm just blending that, making sure that it's nice and even on both sides. And then I'm going in with some blush. I have been obsessed with blush recently. This is the Milani brush in Rose Amore, I think. I forgot the name, but I will have all of the products listed down below for you guys, so you can check them out and know the names and everything. And I love this brush so much. It just gives you such a nice little healthy glow and a little flush to your cheeks. I've been obsessed with blush recently, so let me know your guys' favorite blushes as well. And I'm going in with this Milani highlight. I wish I had honestly gone in with Becca Champagne Pop. This is a beautiful highlight. I like it more for the body though, because it is a little bit glittery. So I wish I had gone in with Champagne Pop, if we're being honest. But this is still really pretty. I love this on my shoulders and on my collarbone. But on the face, it's not my favorite. I just feel like it's not bright enough. So I went in with the nose highlight. But on the cheeks and stuff, I wish I had done Becca Champagne Pop. But you live and you learn. Am I right, ladies? So I just blended that on my cheekbones and on my nose and my chin a little bit, just to blend everything together. And here I am dropping things. I don't know why I didn't cut this out, but you know, editing fails. So I'm just making sure that everything is blended. And I'm going back in with that pink shade on my lower lash line, just to complete the look. And this really makes the pink eye pop. I love this color on the lower lash line. It's just so beautiful. So I'm just blending that with a blending brush, making sure to connect it to the upper lid color as well, because you don't want it to be disconnected, because then it just makes your eye look a little weird. So make sure you just blend that. And then I'm going in with the same pink shade on the lid and just blending that in the inner corner to make everything bright and awake. And I love this pink color in the inner corner. I think it's so beautiful and bright. So I'm just going ahead and blending that in there, making sure to get everything super sparkly. And now I'm going in and setting my brows, because I'm all done with powder products. And I'm using the Essence Make Me Brow brow mascara. This is a dupe for the Benefit Gimme Brow. I personally like this one more because I feel like there's more fibers in it, and it just really builds up my brow really nicely. So I'm just applying that to my brows to set those crazy hairs in place, you know. And now we're going on to the lips. I'm using this Kokie lip liner, which I don't really like, so I'm not going to recommend it to you guys. I don't even remember the shade, but it literally broke on me as I was applying it. So that was very annoying. So I'm not going to recommend this to you guys. But just use any nude liner that you have. And then I'm going in with this Milani liquid lipstick. It's in like a berry color, a berry pink color to match the eyes. I'm just applying that lightly, just to give my lips a little bit of a pink tint to match the eyes. Blending that into the lip liner, of course, so that we don't look super crazy. And then once I'm done with that liquid lipstick, I'm going ahead in with this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade, I believe this is, I forget, but once again, it'll be linked down below. But after you apply the lip, that is it, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Bye.